Welcome to 16 Wishing Well Lane, a newly built 5-bedroom home with 5 washrooms situated within the up-and-coming Riverbed Estates community located in the rural Township of Otonabee-South Monaghan in Peterborough County. Featuring an exterior of siding and brick, a triple-car garage, a multitude of windows with exposures on all sides, as well as a covered front porch with 2 separate entrances, the glass-paneled main entrance has a sidelight and opens into a sunken tiled foyer with a double coat closet, and directly off the foyer is a spacious den with a French door entry and finished with hardwood flooring. Hardwood flooring is also showcased throughout the generously sized main-level principal rooms. This level additionally featuring 9-foot ceilings, accent pot lights, as well as extended height room entries and interior doors. With 2 separate entries, the inviting entertaining spaces of the combined formal living and dining rooms enjoy an ease of flow with the kitchen and with the family room. This light-washed east-facing entertaining area, having the added warmth of a gas fireplace, its elegant mantle accented with stone. The breakfast area has an oversized sliding door walkout onto a rear deck, while the beautifully appointed kitchen showcases stone counters, crisp white cabinetry with extended height molded uppers, soft closing hardware, and a chef's desk, subway tile backsplashes, a double-wide undermount sink, a pot filler faucet, plus a prep sink in an island that has seating, with the kitchen having rough-ins for appliances. Off the kitchen is a side mudroom with a rear door for backyard access. This space finished with tiled flooring, having a laundry area with cabinetry storage and rough-ins for a washer and dryer, a sunken foyer with a coat closet and the secondary front entrance from the porch, and the first of 4 hardwood staircases, this one leading to a loft above the garage. Finished with broadloom and having 4 windows with vaulted ceilings above the 2 arched windows, this incredibly spacious room is perfect as a family media room, a guest room, or as a nanny or in-law suite, and also features a 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor and bath area. From the laundry area is the first of 2 hardwood staircases to the unfinished lower level, each staircase having a tiled lower landing. The lower level features a large layout with a high ceiling, oversized basement windows, and a cold room, and offers exceptional potential to add future finished recreational, entertaining, and storage space to the home. Off the mid-landing of the main hardwood staircase from the main level is a powder room with a tiled floor and pedestal sink, the staircase continuing to the upper level bedrooms and washrooms, and all the staircases are finished with either hardwood handrails or railings with wrought iron pickets. The upper level has the coziness of broadloom throughout, extended height room entries and interior doors, a double linen closet, and showcases 4 very spacious bedrooms, all with ensuite washrooms. The 4th bedroom has an east-facing exposure, a spacious double closet, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor and bath area. This, the 2nd and the 3rd bedroom, also having ample space for sitting or study areas. The 3rd bedroom has a west-facing arched window with a vaulted ceiling above it, a dressing area outside its walk-in closet, and shares with the 2nd bedroom a 5-piece Jack and Jill washroom, which has 2 huge west-facing windows, a tiled floor, a tiled bath and shower area within the privacy of a water closet, and 2 vanities with stone counters. While the 2nd bedroom features 2 corner windows and a walk-in closet as well. An oversized double-door entry opens into the master suite. This naturally bright retreat having an east-facing exposure, ample space for a sitting area, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like ensuite washroom with upgraded floor tiles, a freestanding tub, a glass-enclosed shower, as well as a vanity soon to be complete with a stone counter and double basins. Planned amenities within Riverbed Estates include green spaces, ponds, walking trails, and a community boat launch on the Otonabee River. The city of Peterborough, the largest urban centre in the county, has a wide variety of prime amenities within a 15-minute drive, and access to Highway 115 to connect with other major thoroughfares is just 7 minutes away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.